Abibi, see, AI is not replacing doctors. It's helping bridge a healthcare access gap, particularly in Africa. The question everyone seems to be asking with the rise of artificial intelligence is this: is artificial intelligence here to replace doctors? You see, I've listened to countless podcast debates on this topic, and some experts even argue that patients cannot use the artificial intelligence tools correctly. Others believe AI will eventually take over much of what doctors are doing at the moment. But I beg to differ because I see things differently. Yes, I know AI has limitation, and as we often say in technology, right, we say garbage in, garbage out. But something important has changed, because for decades, most of our patients, they have very little understanding of their health condition, laboratory reports, or treatment plan. So that means they depend almost entirely on what their doctors told them. But today, that is no longer the case, okay? But I want you to make sure you stay to the end of this video, because I have a gift for you. See, patients have access to information, medical resources, and now AI tools that can help them better understand their health. I want us to consider a real-world example. You see, there was a large study that was done in Sweden that involved 100,000 women undergoing breast cancer screening. The participants were randomly assigned to either a standard mammography interpretation by 2 radiologists or AI-supported screening. And the results were remarkable. I mean, the AI-supported screening, they identified more clinically relevant cancer during the screening and improved detection rate without increasing false positive. So the researchers concluded that AI could help detect breast cancer earlier while reducing the workload on radiologists. You see, that left me thinking, because I think we are asking the wrong question. Because AI is not here to take over the jobs of doctors. Instead, we should be thinking of how we can use it positively to give better healthcare services. I want us to take this home. According to figures reported by the Medical and Dental Council of Nigeria, that's the MDCN, over 130,000 doctors were registered with the council. However, only 58,000 renewed their practicing license, that's in 2023, and 55,000 in active practice, reflecting the significant impact of medical migration and workforce shortage. You see, the healthcare workforce challenge became even clearer when we view it in this context. Because the issue is not simply the number of doctors, it is where those doctors are available. You see, many physicians in Nigeria, they practice in major urban centers like Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, while countless rural and underserved communities struggle to access specialist care. Let's look at a woman in Zamfara, for instance. Do you know that a woman in Zamfara may not only have fewer doctors available to her than a woman in London, she may significantly have fewer options than even someone living in Lagos. So perhaps the real question we should be asking when it comes to the debate of AI versus doctor is not that will AI replace doctors. Perhaps the question should be, how can we use AI to extend health care to people who currently have little or no access to doctors at all? Just like what Clinic Online Plus is doing in Africa. In my opinion, AI will not broadly replace doctors, and doctors who learn to work effectively with AI will have a significant advantage over those who refuse to engage with it. So if you are a doctor, or you are a nurse, or you are a pharmacist, or healthcare practitioner, and you're watching this video, I need you to know something. That AI is not a passing trend, right? It is here to stay, just like Google came and it's here. So, and if you are a patient, I need you to remember this. See, tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Perplexity, and others should not replace your doctor. Rather, you should let them help guide you towards the right care, because that is just the starting point and not the destination. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this discussion, I want you to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Do you think AI will eventually replace doctors, or will it simply make healthcare better? I would love to hear your perspective about this. Yes, so to the gifts. I want to tell you, we are building Africa's largest healthcare community and trusted link to healthcare access. So if you would love to be part of this, I want you to click on the link below this video and join us. See you next week. I love you. You're real.